Have you ever spent hours trying to connect to essential software tools, only to be met with frustrating error messages and no clear explanation? It is a common hurdle when working with software as a service integrations, especially when an application programming interface key is involved. There is nothing more disheartening than a crucial connection failing, particularly when your finance operations depend on it. Your application programming interface key is likely not working for integration due to common issues such as incorrect key entry, insufficient permissions, expiration, or environmental mismatches. Think of an application programming interface key as a digital passport and access card combined. It authenticates your request and grants you specific permissions to interact with a service. When this digital credential is not correctly presented or authorized, the system simply denies access. The core mechanism behind application programming interface key failures often boils down to how these keys are generated, stored, and validated. When you request data or trigger an action from one software tool to another, the application programming interface key is sent along with your request. The receiving system then checks this key against its records to ensure it is valid, active, and has the necessary permissions for the operation you are trying to perform. Any deviation, no matter how small, will result in a failed authentication, blocking the integration. To troubleshoot effectively, start by meticulously verifying that the application programming interface key is copied and pasted exactly as provided, with no extra spaces or missing characters. Next, check the key's permissions within the service where it was generated. Ensure it has the correct scope or access levels required for the integration you are attempting. Also, confirm that the application programming interface key has not expired, as many keys have a limited validity period, and regenerate it if necessary. Finally, make sure you are using the correct environment, whether it is a testing sandbox or a live production environment, as keys are often specific to one or the other. A key concept here is environment specificity. Many services provide separate application programming interface keys for their development, staging, and production environments. Using a development key in a production environment will always result in a failure, and this detail is frequently overlooked. Understanding the documentation around key generation and its associated permissions is truly your secret weapon in resolving these issues efficiently. By systematically checking for these common pitfalls, you can quickly diagnose and resolve application programming interface key issues, ensuring your crucial software as a service integrations run smoothly and prevent disruptions to your finance workflows. This proactive approach saves time and keeps your financial data flowing seamlessly between your essential tools, ultimately enhancing your operational efficiency.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.